So friends, today I'm sharing the best chicken sandwich recipe with you guys. It's gonna be homemade, it's gonna be crispy, and it's gonna be spicy. So here I have chicken breast. These are the thin slices of chicken breast. If you guys have the whole chicken breast, you have to cut it from the middle and make it thin slices. So I have 5 slices right here. First of all, we're gonna marinate this chicken breast. So first of all, we're gonna take buttermilk and we will add buttermilk right in there. Then friends, we will add the sriracha sauce. It's gonna give nice heaty touch to our chicken. Then we will add the soy sauce right in there. We will add some table salt and we will add some of the black pepper too. So it's a regular black pepper and the salt. We will mix this guy up, and now friends, we will leave this chicken in this marination at least for 2 hours. If you guys have time, you can leave it for overnight. Otherwise, you can just do it for in couple hours. You can marinate this and you can then cook it after couple hours. So as you can see, this is all marinated beautifully, and we will leave it for a couple hours in the fridge now. So guys, it's been couple of hours. We're gonna take out our chicken, but first we will make the coating. So we will take all-purpose flour. I'm using whole wheat flour. We will add in our bowl, and after that we will add some corn flour. So corn gonna give nice crunch to it, so we will add corn flour in there as well. Okay, now we will add, this is the chipotle raspberry seasoning. It gives nice wonderful flavor. So we will add at least 1 spoon in there. Add 1 spoon paprika and regular table salt. Give this coating a mix, because this coating will stay on top of our chicken, so it's gonna be a crust. So it's been a couple of hours. Our chicken was in the fridge. So now guys, it's a fun part to do. We will take the chicken breast piece out and we will put it right in our coating. So make sure you put enough coating on your chicken, and for now we will just put this on our tray, just right there on the side. Now let's do the second one. Put it right in there. Take your coating, cover it all the way, again on this side too. Press it a little bit so it sticks on top of it. I'm not using heavy coating just because the chicken is thin, as you guys can see. So we will put this one right on the side. It is getting a nice layer of our seasoning. So this is the chicken breast. Take the coating. To make it very nice, we will do a second coat as well. I mean, if you guys want a little bit extra coating, extra crunch on top, you have to do second coating on top. And the last one. Okay, beautiful, done. As you guys can see how beautifully it's done. So let me show you if you want to double your coating. So we will take this one, we will again dip it in this sauce, and we will put right in there again. So it's gonna get nice double coating. So it's gonna be like this. I think let's do the double coating. It's gonna look very nice, and it's gonna have a lot of crunch to it. This recipe is world's class recipe I'm sharing with you guys. So this is the double coating part, and let's do the last one too. Get the buttermilk. And how perfect is this? I mean, all of our coating has been used, and again friends, all the coating is on my fingers as well. You can use the gloves, as I always say, and that's how it's gonna look, perfectly coated. So now let's move on to the frying pot. So our oil is hot, so here goes the first. Here goes the second. So we will not put too many at a time because it's gonna bring the oil temperature down. And like this guys, it's all the way dipped in, so we will cook the chicken at least for 6 minutes inside. So we will wait at least 6 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare our buns. So we will turn on our second stove. So here I have regular bakery buns. I will take 2 of those, and I will take butter, and I'll put butter, make it a layer. So this is our organic butter, and we're gonna toast these guys so it's gonna spread all the way into the bun. So here goes the bun right next to it, just like that. Since our buns are roasting up, we're gonna make sure it forms a crust. We will make homemade sauce. For the homemade sauce, we will add some mayo, we will add some barbecue sauce in there. If it comes out, regular mustard. So here friends, give it a mix, and our homemade sauce, beautiful, for the chicken sandwich is ready. Wow, so our buns are roasted and crusted. We will make a layer of our sauce. Just like that. So here friends, add some pickles. Chicken sandwich and pickles, they go very well together. So guys, it's been 6 minutes. I'm taking the chicken out, and as you guys can see how beautiful brown golden color. It's more brownish because of the more fried. I have fried it a little bit extra just to make sure it's all done. We will put it right on the side, so if it has extra oil, it's gonna just drip it on the side. So now I will just put the rest of them in there. So this time I'm putting all 3 in there because it has a lot of space in there. Okay, so we will take our buns out. Whoa, they're super hot. As you can see, they are roasted. Oops, it's super hot. So guys, I'm using the thick side of the bun. You see, it's the top part. Just because if you use the bottom one, it's already so thin. I mean, if you put all the sauces and you put the cucumber, I mean the pickle, it has its own juice. I mean, it's not gonna be a bun no more then. So I'm changing the sides for the better. So here goes the pickles. Okay, on the bottom part you can just add some of the sauce, the homemade sauce in there, and spread it. Just a tiny layer is enough. Okay, it's done. Now we can just put our chicken right on top. So here goes our big pieces of chicken on the bottom part. Wow. And this is the top part. So you have to hold your stuff and put it right on top. Same thing with this one. Just like that. And give it a little bit press. And here you go guys. The homemade chicken sandwich is crispy. You can feel the crunch from here. Check this out, guys. Wow, beautifully done. So it's time for a bite. Check the juices out. Wow. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the best chicken sandwich recipe you will ever find, and do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe the channel, and bye for now. So here you go guys, I'm taking the whole bun. You see it has extra chicken in there. The crunch, it's yum. Let me show you. Wow, the chicken, and it's a juicy chicken, as you guys can see. So there you go, big crunch. Out of the world.